gentlemen of AMB Stuttgart 2022. Welcome to the show. Here we are again. We are here as part of the Absent Air Care Group, as usual, with our colleagues to work with the German market, which is hugely important to filter mist and to service and give a whole complete filtration solution. We're doing a lot of networking with our distributor network, which is fantastic. We've already had visitors from Israel, from France, from Italy. It's going to be a busy show. So just want to introduce you to a couple of things, and just to show the important thing here is to network and to listen to our distributor network. They are our experts. So one small thing that we've added to our range at the moment is some more flexibility. So as well as the complete range of filter mist units with the after filters, we're providing an extra level of pre-filtration and adaptability to fit a new type of bracket where you can actually fit the unit to the conveyor belt, for instance, or various positions to make it easier for accidental servicing. So this option that we have here, it can come with 1, 2 or no pre-filters, depending on the application that you have. We have inserts also for the eco credentials that we're trying to work on. What we have as well will be the washable pre-filters. We have a labyrinth at the front, and then we have the metal mesh. These can be interchanged and reused without wasting any filters or any throwaway. So welcome to Germany. Hope you have a great show. Please come and see us. We're in Hall 8 and we are here all week. Thank you.